Hey guys, today we're going to take my crafty corner from floral to fall. Stay tuned to see how that happens. These are the new etched glass bottles that I'm making. I don't know if you can read this. It says liquid diamonds. Love it. Alright, now that everything is cleared out, it's time to get on with the decor. I'm attempting to use glue dots to fix the backing to the wall. My first attempt was with thumbtacks and I failed miserably. Either I'm not strong enough or the wall is reinforced, but I was not able to get the thumbtacks in, so my second resort was glue dots and they seem to be working just fine. I love this rustic background. It's from Oriental Trading, actually. Making sure everything looks good. Yep, it looks fine. Let's move on. You might remember this branch from a craft I did earlier. Maybe last week or 2 weeks ago, I made this branch out of fallen oak leaves and acorns. Now it's going to be the background for my new Crafti Nanny set. This lantern didn't seem like it fit just right, but it's so nice that I wasn't sure about it. What about the rusty can? Should I use the rusty can? Nice patina. Maybe. Maybe. Indecisive. No! This is my wedding bouquet. Just making sure everything is okay. I actually made this bouquet and walked down the aisle holding it on my wedding day, so I would have been devastated if it fell flat and crushed while filming this, no less. But it's fine. It lives to see another day. Looking like a western town. This is dried moss. Arranging the dried moss here, trying to make everything look pretty. The birdcage was a gift from my friend and I've used it so many times that I can't part with it, so thanks, Angela. My gilded acorns for more decor. These I actually sourced from the park. I did not buy them. Have you not noticed I rarely buy anything? This is me attempting to throw leaves. Whee! It just made a mess and I had to pick it up, but it was so much fun I did it again. These paper leaves were cut using that machine you see there on your screen. It's called a Cricut. Everything's looking good. I couldn't quite part with my flowers from the previous background, so I'm filling in some dead space using them. They're white, just like the wall is white, but because there's so much texture to them, it looks so much better. And this actually looks like I intended for it to be a dried floral room, and I did not. But with the addition of the white paper flowers there, it really ties everything together. And we're on to the pumpkin. So I have baby clothes that I know that they're not good enough to give them to somebody else, but I thought that I could do something with them, so I've held on to them. And turns out they make the perfect stuffing for pumpkins. So here I am making a no-sew pumpkin out of a onesie that I absolutely loved on my daughter. This is quick and easy to make. I actually intend to put a full tutorial on how to do it, although it's so simple that no tutorial is required. Just stuff the onesie, tie it up, loop some string around, instant pumpkin. But like I said, I will put the full tutorial there on how to make these adorable no-sew pumpkins. Of course, if you don't have a onesie, that's fine too. The orange ones were made using an old t-shirt from my husband's college days. Fluff your pumpkins. Fluff. And that's it, just wrap the twine around until you have the stem for your pumpkin. It says, hold me. So cute. Instant pumpkin that won't be squished on my counter. Putting on the finishing touches. Et voila! The new Crafti Nanny set.
So, what do you think of the new Crafti Corner? I absolutely love it. It's very autumn, very warm, and very cozy. I'm sure I'll continue to change around a few things as the fall goes on, but I think I like it so far. If you want to know how to make these no-sew pumpkins, I'll put a tutorial up soon, so check back for that. In the meantime, keep crafting, and I'll see you next time.